Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to open some Happy Mail from Priscilla. This box is pretty heavy. I just got it in the mail today, and I already cut it open because she had it taped up really well, so I didn't want to do that on cameras, but I am opening it for the first time. It's got this pink bubble wrap. Okay. Okay, very sweet note from Priscilla. That's cute. Ooh. So these are cards, many thanks, thank you cards. Okay. Hold on pain ends. Hope. I like that picture. Let's clip these back together. Okay, what's this? Oh, there we go. Ooh, a little paint and pen set. Is there something under that? Nope. So these are HB drawing pencils, and then little different types of brushes. Cute. The girl ribbon from Hobby Lobby. Love it so much. I didn't get this one. I don't think I got that one. These are art discs in purple. I get so many in the mail from the veterans Xmas card. I know you love Xmas. Yes, I do love Christmas. So she sent me a stack of Christmas cards. Nice. And I could actually use these in journals too, so that would be awesome. Put that back. Some markers, fine point markers. Okay. I don't know what these are. Oh, okay. I know how much you love flowers. I think I'm not opening this stuff in the right order. Does this open? Yes. Okay, we got clips. Don't want to lose them. What are these? Oh, these are charms. Lockets. And what else is in here? Ooh, tissue paper. Okay. See, she's sending me things that I can definitely use in journals and journal making. I've been looking for napkins, some nice vintage floral napkins, but I haven't found any. So that will be, but I'm not sure what these are for to do. Okay, I have to find out. Then the basket and handmade rolls are for your desk, for pens, pencils, etc. The bigger can is my paint pour. Okay. Oh, I see the paint pour. Nice. And then these are for pen holders. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can open what I'm supposed to open in order. Make a nice shaker card. Okay. So this is what's in here, and it's got the little pink ribbons and some doves. Cute. Am I upside down? What does it say? Just for you. I know what this is. This is a pocket for a traveler's, or folder for a traveler's notebook from Michaels. definitely like that. Oh, I'm going to open this last because it looks... Okay. This is a notebook. Oh, look at the black bows. Oh, it's a planner. So it's got monthly, weekly, and to-do lists. This is nice. I wonder if it'll fit in my A5 traveler's notebook. Okay, so that's that. Then I have this pink ribbon towel. Then there are these calligraphy pens. Let's see if I can get in here. It's like I've been cleaning this morning and damaging my nails left and right. But I have blue, red, black, and the green calligraphy pens, and they are dual tip. Let's try those out. Okay, here is, let's see what this says. The light box is for your shoe to display. There is a pink piece of paper for the shoe to lay on. Okay. So, I'm going to leave this in the box, in that box. This is another tube with decorated, what do you call these? Decorated discs. So they have little stickers on them. That's really cute. Let's see. And then these smaller ones. The metal discs. Okay, put those with that. And what is this? Your micro book, an unfinished piece of faux leather just to cover the book so it does not get messed up. Ooh. So I'm going to go through this when I go through this other book. Let me keep all my notes together. I'm so upset my punch laminator broke. I had nice pages for your micro. That's the shoe. I'm going to save that. Let's see what we got here. This looks like notepad paper for the Happy Planner. Yeah. Oh, this is the mini, I think, 3. Yeah, this is for the mini. These are mini half sheets. Super cute. Set those over here. Winks. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Fashionista. Each day of the week is my day to show I'm unique in every way. A jacket, some heels, maybe a skirt with a top. Tomorrow, something chic with accessories that pop. Looking good is my thing, so good it makes me want to sing. Fashion is my passion. Winks. So what is this though? It's huge. I don't want to take it off and mess it up. This is really cute, and it's like a metal, like a giant charm. Oh, there we go. It's like a giant charm, but it's metal. There we go. Oh, she's got the sticky stuff on the back of her leg, and she's double-sided. Wow, this is really cute. I'm going to take it off. That is super cool. Is it a bookmark? It makes me think it is with this. I don't know. How am I supposed to use this? It's so cool. She's got sticky stuff on her face. Okay. I'm not going to play with her the whole time. Let's move on. These are Martha Stewart adhesive tabs. Can use those definitely, and it will pop in a discbound. This is self-seal paper. Okay, I can use that with vinyl. I have vinyl to cut, and I haven't cut it yet. I need to get on that. What is this? I have to save this tissue paper. Ooh, Kate Spade. That's a cute card. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it in the book. This is a Kate Spade. I think it's a photo album. No, it's a planner. Oh. It's 2018, but it can be redated. It looks like she took some of the pages out, or the pages came out. I don't know. It's just, it looks like duplicates. I don't know. Maybe she did take them out. But anyway, it's a Kate Spade notebook planner. So I'll play with that later. Ooh, I'm running out of space here. That's the shoe stuff. Some stickers. Cute. And these are binder labels, and she's already put little stickers or tags in them. Let's see. Cool. Oops. Some Mandy Sheets. I've never had these. Let's see. Oh, these are breast cancer awareness Mandy Sheets. So this is what they look like. Ew. Nice. Thank you, Priscilla. Just thank you for everything. Oh my goodness, it's a whole nother package under here. Let's see what this is. This box was really heavy. Some specialty paper. Very pretty. Not laminating paper. What are these? I wonder if I can cut them on the Cricut, because these seem a little thinner than the mats from Dollar Tree. I have not had success with cutting those, so maybe I can cut these. These are thinner, so that's something to play with. Put those over here. Take to the Cricut. Then these are transparent cover, looks like report covers, but they have a steel, they are report covers, but the binding is steel, I think. Requires a stapler. I have to play with that later. This is contact paper, journal stuff. These are some folders, and it's a kit. Hangs 5 folders. So it can go something like this. like that. That's gonna come in handy. And I used the disc that she's painted. I think these are discs that she painted. Whoops. So I'm gonna put those with the other discs. Make sure there's nothing else in there. And let's see. I think we're coming to the end. Oh, here's another disc. I think this is the shoe. Lots of pink tissue paper. Oh my gosh. And she made this. So I've seen a couple of pictures. But, oh, the tissue paper is sticking to it. Wow. I think one of this came off. I think it was on here, like right here maybe. I don't know. It got stuck to the tissue paper. Look at this shoe. I think some of the pearls are trying to come off. Just press them back in there. Look at that. It's a bank. And she said let me make sure I got everything out of the box, and let's move the box out of the way. Let's get this note. Shoe, okay. So this is the shoe. Look at it. Super pretty. And I guess this is where you take the money out if you put money in it. I don't know. Look at that. Okay. So now let's go and flip through some of the things we didn't look at. Prayers list. It's got a sticker on here. It looks like a bookmark, a place mark. She's decorated this planner. So I guess this was supposed to be in one of the pockets maybe. So I'm going to put it back. This is Hope. Notes. It's a little book, a pen holder. So you would attach it and then be able to put your pens in it. This is a pen. And then dividers, folder, inserts. So this is ready for me to fill up with my own inserts. It's got some note paper in the back. And let's see what else. Oh, we got a decorative pen. This is Recollections pen. Lots of, this is a stylus, pretty sure. I'll just leave it out. I'll never get that back in. My fingers are still kind of numb. So this is a dashboard, or can be used as a dashboard. These are cards. Ooh, it's got a tab on it. I've never seen that. It's a pocket with a laminated card. I'm actually going to use that pocket and put the card up here. Another, I guess I could use this as a writing board. More of these that folder. I really like these folders. Where'd you get these from, Priscilla? And then here is another pocket. Love you in it, and make it happen. Okay, stick that in there. Keeping the pocket separate. Oh, these are paint chip cards. I'm gonna put that over there. Ooh, black. Here's another dashboard. I have this paper. Here's another dashboard. I wonder will these fit in my... No, I can already tell they're too small. So, got some dashboards and a divider or bookmark or page mark or writing board. This is really nice, Priscilla, and I like how you decorated it. I'm rough on stuff, so I don't know if that's going to hold up with me. Oh, if the stickers are too much, just take them off, Priscilla. It's not that they're too much. I just got a feeling I'll wear them off. And then last but not least, this is the micro. I haven't even decorated the micro that I have. This is so cute. Everything is nothing with a twist. Oh, I like that. Everything is nothing with a twist. Working for the weekend. This is super cute. I know where that sticker came from. That one too. That one too. I like the little tabs. One of the Hobby Lobby girls. Ooh. More Hobby Lobby girls. I don't have those stickers. I jammed my pouch laminator. And let me flip through quickly. Ooh, I like the foot. This is really cute. So that opens up like that. Look at that. And then let's see what's under this one. Wrong. Oops. Journal notes. Cute. And then this is the back cover. Let's see, I didn't look at the front cover. So that's everything from Priscilla's box. She sent this basket and this, and I have to figure out how to work it and how to put it together. But other than that, that's everything. I have a lot of things that I can use for my journals and for myself. So thanks, Priscilla. Thanks so much for thinking of me and for sending everything. I really appreciate it. And now I'm going to get it organized and put away. I hope you enjoyed this Happy Mail video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.